Introducing the MD69 24 Pelorus Pedestal Bearing Compass Repeater. Twin speed 36:1 precision concentric scale, accuracy better than 0.01 degrees, follow-up rate more than 20 degrees per second. Gimbal action up to 45 degrees pitch and roll. Automatic selection and prioritization of true or magnetic heading data source. Dimmable illuminated display with red LEDs. Loss of valid heading data warning. RS422 digital NMEA input. Up to a 32-way weatherproof terminal box. Weighing just 15.7 kilograms, with a height of 1.2 meters by 325 millimeters. Constructed from robust morinized aluminium. Finished in RAL 7040, DNV type approval. Weatherproof and complies with IEC 60945. Suitable for our range of bearing sites. The MD69 BC bearing circle, the MD69 AZI azimuth sight, and the MD60 a 2K telescopic alidade. To request a quotation or for more information, visit marine-data.co.uk. Marine Data Systems, Navigation, Innovation.